popping in here because I need to do my skincare and I wanted to talk to you guys about something. So just real quickly, I'm gonna talk your ear off, but please stay tuned because I've got some important things to say. I know I talk a lot, but you don't want to miss this. You guys know I've been using some of the Foreo products. So the first one that I've been using is the Luna 3. I've basically been using this one to like cleanse my skin, you know, keep my skin cleansed. It's a cleansing and massaging device, and basically you just press the button and you can turn it on. You can either control it just from the device itself, or you can control it from their app. That's what I personally like to do, but you can do either or. But it's basically made out of medical grade silicone, so you don't have to spend your money replacing the brush heads. Make sure you're cleaning this really well and then just use this repeatedly, so that way you're saving a lot more money in the long run. And this device is just amazing overall. I use it whenever I wash my face, and I'll just kind of put some on there. I have it set up to the timer and the intensity that I want on the app, and I'll just kind of use it and like cleanse my skin. And then I also like to use this side, which is the massaging side. I like to use this to just kind of do massaging treatments. I'll use it with face oil or my face lotion just to kind of give myself a nice little massage, I guess. But I really like this device. I've been using it for a while now, and I've also been pairing it with the UFO 2. This little device right here is really cool. It's called the UFO 2. You can either use it by pressing the button and just doing it that way, or you can also control it from the app, which is again the personal way that I like to use, just because there's, I feel like, a lot more options. But with this little device, the heat kind of opens up your pores, and then the coolness will kind of like close your pores and tighten and brighten your face. And then it incorporates light therapy, which is just basically different color LEDs to help with different things. So like purple reduces the appearance of fine lines, red has anti-aging benefits, and green brightens and evens out your skin tone. So just different little LED colors to help with different issues. So like I said, girl, I have to cleanse my skin. My acne has just been on one recently, so I'm gonna use one of the little UFO masks and just kind of use it. This is a supercharged at-home facial device, and it literally takes my skincare to a level I didn't even know it could go to. I would think whenever I'm doing a facial and stuff, I need to go get a facial to do that type of thing, but this literally just like incorporates it at home, which is what I genuinely love so much. So you just kind of press it and then it turns on, and then you just kind of start to cleanse your skin. I already have it prepped to what I like, so I have it for 15 seconds each area of my skin, set at like 5 intensity level, but it's gonna beep every time you have to switch. So there it goes, it just kind of stopped, and then it just beeps 3 times to let you know that it's done. Then now I like to use the UFO 2, and I'm just gonna do a little face mask, and then I just go to the treatments option, and this is where they have all their little masks, so you can scroll through and pick whichever one that you're using. But today I'm using the H2 Overdose, so I'm gonna go ahead and start that one. So it kind of talks you through it, as you guys can hear in the background, but I just open it up. The little masks look like this. They're just little circles, and they're one that you like actually put in the device. But you can do this with more than just these little things. You can do it with a regular sheet mask, you can use it with your serums, whatever you want to use it with. It's very diverse, and you basically just glide it literally all over your face, and it guides you. It has like a little lady who, you know, tells you what to do. So then whenever it ends, it basically beeps and it turns off everything, but you can still, you know, like keep going. And then it gives you the option to repeat your treatment, which I never, like, my things are still wet and I just like to do it twice, so I usually always go in and repeat it. But if you guys would like to try any of the Foreo products that I showed you guys today, you can click the link in my description box below. Hey bitches, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a little clean with me because we got back from Louisiana. What's today, the 5th? No, today's the 6th. We got back on the 2nd. So we've been here for a couple days. We got new furniture, so I wanted to show you guys that. I just have a whole bunch of shit that I haven't put up. Like literally, Christian cleaned and put away all of his stuff, and all of my stuff is sitting right here on the floor. So I have to clean up all of this. And then also, since we got a dresser, we've been organizing and stuff. So I have to organize the closet because I put a lot of my clothes into the dresser. So now kind of what I have to do in the closet. Also, we have dirty clothes. It's just gonna be a like completely cleaning day. Yesterday I edited and stuff, so I should be good with like YouTube stuff that I don't really have too much to do today. But this is kind of what my side of the closet is looking like. Christian's looks fine, right? His looks good, clean, everything. But then you turn to mine. Bitch, what the fuck? and it's awful. Pretty much everything in the kitchen isn't bad. I just have like my work stuff out. So far from my New Orleans vlog, I have like almost 10 minutes. So I have like 9:30, but I did edit a lot of it. It was actually kind of easy to edit because I did so many like short clips. And so I just kind of like ended up like adding those all together. I don't know if I should show you guys our furniture. Well, I mean, you're going to see it throughout the video, but I guess I'll just show you the stuff that we got. So we went to Ikea yesterday and we got some stuff. My grandpa took us, so shout out to Grumpy. He's the best. He helped us put everything up. We got the Malm set, so like the Malm bed and then the Malm dresser. So this is just that basic Ikea Malm dresser that everybody has. It's actually so nice. The drawers are pretty deep and they fit a lot of stuff in there. That's my pajama drawer so far. I need to add more stuff. This is my most packed drawer. I have shirts and then leggings, shorts, biker shorts, extra long sleeve shirts. But yeah, so we got this. We need to add like some decorations and stuff. And then we got the big ass Hovet mirror. I saw that Reagan had this mirror and I was like, I absolutely need it. Like, it is beautiful, it's huge, it's perfect. So this is definitely like our favorite thing. Our nightstands, we got those a while ago. Those are actually from Walmart. They just look like this. I don't remember exactly which ones. And they have LEDs back here, so you just turn them on and then they can change colors and everything. And then this is the bed that we got. We got the, I don't know, the high mound bed, and we're gonna put 2 sets of drawers underneath it just so that we can have like more storage and stuff, because living in an apartment, you literally have no storage, or at least like where we are, the most storage we have is like in the closet and then like kitchen cabinets and shit. Like, we don't really have storage. So we are getting a storage unit, but I have to like find the best deal and stuff. So we're gonna hopefully be looking for one of those very soon. We have his extra stuff at my parents' house. Other than that, we literally just have like this storage. Anyways, I'm talking way too damn much. I need to start cleaning. I've been procrastinating all morning. I've been up since literally 10. It's 12 now, so it's been like 2 hours that I've just been sitting playing on TikTok, just doing shit that I'm not supposed to be doing, you know? Brought me home some flowers. But we don't have a vase, so are we gonna put it in one of those bottles again? That's what we came up with. We only have Casamigos bottles. I just kind of like divided it up and put them into there. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I put my sweatpants up there, and I'm gonna put like my other sweatpants on that side. I have my like crude, what's it called? I don't know, like sweaters that don't have, not hoodies. And then these are my hoodies. So I have hoodies, sweaters, sweatpants. And then all this is kind of cleared off right now. All that's on this row now is some stuff that Christian put there, but other than that, it's all cleared off. Okay, so I kind of stopped recording and just kind of started like getting shit done. So pretty much everything's done, but we're about to set up the LED lights, so I thought I would record for that. This area is all cleaned out. It's just a little bit dirty. We need to clean the carpet. This is what the bathroom's looking like. I got to do a brand deal for this company, and then that's just the speaker. And then this is the finished product of the closet. It literally looks so amazing, way better than what it did before. I moved all of my pants and stuff up there, so that's kind of where that went. I got all my hoodies and my hat, jewelry, dirty clothes, makeup, and then we got some laundry going. Y'all, look at how good the room is looking. All white. And then we got the LEDs, and then we're about to put on these ones, and these ones we're gonna end up, I think, probably putting them around like the bed. I wasn't recording that whole time. Yo, that makes me so mad. We just made the bed and I literally wasn't recording the whole entire time. Here, look at what our room looks like. It looks so good. Just wanted to change it all to white. I also put the it's called the like star lights or whatever, that thing, and then we changed that all to white. I like that though. We should make that go out there so it just looks clean in there. Yeah. Well, anyways, this is our little clean with us. We're getting right for 2022. Finally got the room looking all good. That's the end of today's video. We just went ahead and cleaned everything. Kind of just got the furniture like last minute because I was just like, you know what? I'm tired of it like not being finished. I just want everything to be done. So honestly, I'll probably get the coffee table and TV stand pretty soon because I'm just ready to get it all like now. I want it to be done. But we also need to get some like decorations. Honestly, I think for the room, I'm not going to do anything too crazy. We have like neutral color, so I'm gonna kind of keep it like that, but I do have a couple ideas, so you guys should stay tuned because I'll probably be doing a like shopping for my apartment, decorating my apartment, doing the last like touches and stuff like that, or decorating my room. Maybe we could do a room makeover. But yeah, if you guys would like to see any more of my content for the next year, you guys can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow me on all my other social medias. My link tree will be in the description box below, so you guys should definitely go follow me on like my Instagram, my TikTok, my Snapchat, and then also make sure you're subscribed on here. Definitely double check, make sure you're subscribed because sometimes you'll think you're subscribed but YouTube like unsubscribes you. So just real quickly go in and double check that you're subscribed. Also, if you would like to be notified whenever I post, hit that notification bell. And I think that's everything that I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you guys.